Hey, excuse me, sir. Do you work here?
Yeah, sorry. My name's LJ. Welcome to Russ Darrow. How can I help?
So I have a vehicle to trade in and I'm considering purchasing, but I don't know the difference between leasing and financing.
I'd be happy to tell you about the difference between each. So why don't you sit down? Let's talk about it. All right, let's start with leasing. Not too many people know about the benefits from leasing, so let's start there. With leasing, it's a shorter term. On average, it's about 3 years for your term of the lease, and there's very little maintenance that you have to take care of. Really, all you got to take care of is your oil changes and your tire rotations, and you should be set throughout your lease. And the benefits of leasing is you can always stay in a newer vehicle with the up-to-date technology. And you have a few different options when it comes to the end of your lease. The end of your lease, if you fall in love with your car and you want to keep it, you can still buy it out for whatever your residual amount is and own the vehicle. Your next option is you can release another vehicle. Let's say you're in a Forte now and you have a family change and your family grows. You can get into a Sportage, a Telluride, you can lease anything. And the third and final option is you can walk away from the car and throw us your keys. It's that simple. Now there are a couple contingencies when it comes to leasing as far as staying under the certain mileage that you agreed upon. So when you bring that vehicle back, it has to be under that mileage. And you can still customize the car the way you want to. You can throw window tints on the car, you can go ahead, put seat covers on, steering wheel covers, all that fun stuff. You can still make it yours. Also, another secret about leasing is you can use leasing to get rid of negative equity. Keep that in mind. When it comes to trading in a vehicle, it could go a couple different ways. For example, if you're still owing a loan on your vehicle that you want to trade in, and the value is less than what the payoff is, then that increases your payment on your next loan, and it rolls over the remaining difference over to the next loan. Now, could work totally opposite, where your value is much higher than your payoff, and what we do is pay off your car, use the value on your trade-in, and apply it to the new car as essentially down payment. And that's free money down. It definitely helps out with monthly payments as well. Or if you don't owe anything on your car, that's straight equity, free down payment that you can use towards the purchase of your next vehicle. Also, when you're trading in a vehicle, you don't pay as much in taxes for your next vehicle. It's called tax savings. Last but certainly not least, financing. When you're financing a vehicle, you're making payments to own that car. So by the end of your loan, when you've paid it all off, the bank actually sends out the title to you. You're the registered owner and you can do whatever you want with it. Run it to the ground, keep it for your kids, put as many miles on it as you want, but just keep in mind, unless warranty covers repairs, you are going to be responsible for any repairs in the future. Now, if you've got any more additional questions, give us a call or stop down to Russ Darrow and we should be able to help you out.